Example 3, question 2. Find the limit of the numerator is 1/2 minus 1 over x, and denominator is 2 minus x. As x tends to 2, both the numerator and denominator are approach to 0. So we can do the common denominator of the 1/2 minus 1 over x. The common denominator of 2x, 2 and x is 2x, and the denominator becomes x minus 2. So we can reduce the x minus 2 and the 2 minus x. It will have a negative sign, and reduce the 2 minus x. Then the numerator become minus 1 and denominator become 2x. So if x approach 2, then the denominator approach 4, and the denominator is a constant, -1.